Welcome back to Real Women of Philadelphia. I'm Anna Olson, and it's week 2, and that means side dish recipes. Oh, the recipes you sent in last week for appetizers, fantastic. Thank you so much. I want you to keep them coming, keep them coming. But now it's time to move into the world of side dish recipes. Remember, there's $20,000 at stake and an all-expense-paid trip to Toronto. So to inspire your side dish recipes, I'm making this week my Caesar stuffed baked potatoes. These are really something special. What I'm doing essentially is making a stuffing for baked potatoes with all those elements of Caesar salad that you love so much. But I use cream cheese, a full block of it at room temperature as a base to hold in all the other ingredients. Now, where would a baked potato be without a bit of sour cream? You know how everybody loves their Caesar salad with a little more garlic, a little less garlic, a little more of this, a little less of this? Really, this is to taste, but I eyeball about a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And I'll just beat this on medium speed to blend the sour cream and cream cheese together. Caesar salad would be nothing without Parmesan. Use about 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. And just like in making a Caesar salad, the Parmesan also adds the salt, so I don't really need to add additional salt to the recipe. There we go, that's about 1/2 cup. And when I make Caesar salad dressing from scratch, I use a lot of lemon juice, and the lemon juice really lightens up the taste. A little bit of fresh garlic. For a little color, and because typically when you think of a baked potato, this is Caesar salad meets baked potato, you see chives or green onions sprinkled on top. So I'm gonna work them right into this cream cheese filling. Now, where would Caesar salad be without the bacon? Cooked bacon, just diced up. When you send in your side dish videos, remember to tell me what sort of things you like to serve it with. In the case of these baked potatoes, I like to serve them along anything that I would serve Caesar salad with. Steak, chicken, kebabs, grilled shrimp. They all work with that sort of garlicky Parmesan side flavor. You can chill until you're ready to serve it. And since I've got my potatoes out of the oven, I'm ready to fill them. So, a generous dollop right on top. And the cream cheese is gonna soften and melt into every bite of that baked potato. So my favorite side dish recipe, Caesar stuffed baked potatoes. So ladies, now it's your turn. Grab the cameras, get in the kitchen, tape those videos, and submit them at realwomenoffphiladelphia.ca, your favorite cream cheese side dish recipes. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you have for us.